Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Um, if you are searching for how to learn the Salesforce, if you are the beginner and enthusiastic to learn the Salesforce, this video is for you. Yes, so I will show simple steps like how you can learn Salesforce easily. Let's get started. Yes, there are many ways to learn Salesforce and simple things which you need to follow. I will show you here. One is Trailhead, and second one is online communities and Salesforce meetups, and yes, last one is Salesforce blog and communities. I will cover these four things in this video. So the first one is Trailhead. Yes, Trailhead is a tutorial kind of playground, you can say, given by the Salesforce. It's officially given by the Salesforce, and this is the best and easy way to learn the Salesforce. It will be consisting of trials, modules, and the projects. We'll go through that. This is the trailhead.salesforce.com. Please create your account into this. I have already created my account. I will just log in. This is my user ID. Yeah. So this is the trailhead which I was talking about, and yeah, you can see the trials, modules, projects, supervisors, trial mixes, and trial blazers. You can explore many things here. Trials is a group of modules, and the module is consisting of projects or like units. You can see here when you open the trials, you can find based on your role and your level. Like if you are the beginner, you just select whichever like admin. If you want to learn the admin related things, click on the admin and beginner. Then it will show all the trials related to the admin. If you are the business user, you can select this. And if you are the developer, like if you want to work on Apex coding, those kind of things, you can choose the developer and beginner here. So this Trailhead is not only for the beginners, like intermediate and advanced Salesforce developers also can use this Trailhead. So please make use of the Trailhead more. Let me go through one trial, build better with UX, right? So this is the trial, and yeah, you can make it as a favorite. If you see the favorites here, so it will be having all your favorite model styles or whatever you make it a favorite in this portal. So if you see here, this is a trial and models and projects are here. Each and every module will be having again units here. See, these are the three modules and yeah. So this is basically about the trial ahead. If you have any questions on the trial ahead, just shoot your question in the comment section. Let's move to the another topic. Yes, we are done with this trial head now, and we'll move to the next section is like online communities. Yes, so this is also one of the best way to learn the Salesforce. You can find many web tutorials like Tutorials Point and many other websites which can provide all the stuff related to the Salesforce, like whatever like it is, whether it is developer or admin related stuff, we can learn easily with all those materials and video tutorials. Yeah, if you see in YouTube, like we have many channels created for the Salesforce especially. And even though Salesforce official channel is available where you will find all the Salesforce related stuff. And yes, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos on Salesforce. Yes, I will be posting many Salesforce videos in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel to receive the latest updates. And yes, we'll move to the next section. Yeah, the next section is Salesforce Meetup. Salesforce Meetup is a place where generally a group of developers meet and collaborate each other, and they will share the knowledge. Yes, so if you see, if you search for Salesforce Meetups in the Google or somewhere, so you will get to know the information on like what are the groups around you, near to you. Yes, so. So you can meet the experienced professionals there, and they will be sharing the new things related to the Salesforce. You can learn from that. Yes. So and yeah, you can share the Salesforce knowledge. So this is one of the way you can learn the Salesforce. At least you will get to know the latest update from the Salesforce side. Yeah. So let's move to the next section. Yeah, Salesforce blog and community. Salesforce blog is the portal where you can find the latest product releases or whatever the Salesforce is releasing. So please subscribe to the latest Salesforce blogs to receive all those information and the communities. Yes, we have the developer community in the Salesforce portal where and also the success community where you can ask your questions. If you're the beginner or like intermediate or like expert in Salesforce, you can ask all the questions to the communities where you will get answers from the experienced candidates. Yes. So yeah, as I mentioned here, webinars and the tutorials are the main things which Salesforce gives in their blog. And yeah, each and every update on the Salesforce and the developer communities which we discussed now. So these are the ways you can learn the Salesforce. Yeah. So in addition to this, you can create your own developer edition in the Salesforce login.salesforce.com, and you can while you keep on learning the things, you can practice all these things in the real time application. I will show that one here. See, this is the login.salesforce.com. I have already created the developer edition in the Salesforce org. So this is free. It looks like a real time application. You can do many. I will navigate to Service Console. You can do many more things here in this like developer edition. I do the same. If you open the developer console, yeah, you can write all the Apex code. Like you can create the Lightning components. Yeah, so you can create the Visual Force pages. Yeah, many more things you can do like without getting the license. Yeah, this is a free version, free kind of developer edition. You can like make your hands dirty here. Yeah, I think yeah, these are the four things which I plan to discuss in this video. And if you get any questions, any type of questions, just shoot your questions in the comment section below. I will be always happy to answer your question. If you want to know, if you want to get to know any concepts in the Salesforce, yeah, same thing. You just enter your comments there. I will take care of that. I will post a new video for you. And thanks for watching this video. Please like if you like this video and comment and subscribe to my channel as I will be sharing more Salesforce videos in the near future so that I will get all the updates.